According to Amartya Sen, Indian philosophy has clearly distinguishes between institutional justice and actual realization of justice, that is Niti, principles of justice, and now how to bring this justice into ground. Niti clearly stands for the organizational propriety and behavioral aspect of rules and norms or behavioral code of conducts, and this NA stands for purely into actual social realization of justice. This social realization of justice can clearly see the injustice around the world. As per Amartya Sen, we can replace giving justice into removing injustice. So, identifying the injustice and removing injustice from the society could be the first step of justice. Instead of aiming or dreaming for a just society or well organized society and some flawless of rules, we can focus on removing injustice from the society. In this 19th and 18th century, when people are agitated for removing of this slavery, they were not aimed to build up a just society. Their aim is to remove this biggest injustice or intolerable injustice from the society. So, as we discussed the Niti and Nya based justice, now I will move on to the consequential argument between Krishna and Arjuna in Mahabharata using the same concept of Niti and Nya. Bhagavad Gita is the longest epics in our literature. So, here war between the Kauravas and Pandavas has been depicted, and what are the results, how are the kingdoms they fought with each other has been mentioned. During this Mahabharata, what is the conversation between Arjuna and Krishna is also well mentioned in Bhagavad Gita. Here Krishna stands for the duty and Arjuna stands for the duty with responsibility, and Krishna stands for the duty without consequences and Arjuna stands for duty but with consequences or looking at the consequences. So, Arjuna's focus is on realized focus understanding of justice with duty. So, this Nya based justice with the realized focused based justice is prerequisite for all society. Krishna in this Bhagavad Gita, he tried to enforce Arjuna to look into only the duties, but here though Arjuna is well aware of the ill consequences the Kauravas to rule, still he has a burden of this righteousness or of his duty without consequences, where there is group of people or his own people or is into danger or where he has to go against his duty to kill them. He is more looking into the consequences of this Mahabharata. Mostly this Mahabharata or this Bhagavad Gita has looked into the part of Krishna's standpoint, but still it has ended, this Mahabharata has ended with the great carnage or a great death of many people or many own people of Arjuna. So, it is important to look from the point of Arjuna also. Arjuna's point is how we can ignore the consequences of this Mahabharata, because when he is about to fight, the other side is his own people. So, actual realization of the consequences also play an important role along with their duties, which has been mentioned by Krishna in this Bhagavad Gita.